Welcome to the Career Guidelines Excel Advanced Training Program. In this session, you will learn how to use the index function with the match function also. Index function is a function that returns the value of a cell within the specified range based on given row number as well as the column number. Row number and the column number dynamically using the match functions. That means we will explain you how you can use the index plus match function. Means how we can use the index plus double match function. So let's flip to the Microsoft Excel to see the practical example. Here we have the product name and the quantity and the cost. And we have to use the index function here. So let me show you first how the index will work. We will type here index and first we have to provide the array. So we will select the range, comma. Now we will provide the row number from where we want to fetch the data. So on the top left, that product will be 1 comma 1, row number 1 and the column number 1. If I put here 1 comma 1 and just close the bracket, it will return product, which is this one. Okay, but the row number, this is first we take the row number. If I put the row number 2 and the column number 1, then I will get here CPU, which is this one. Okay, similarly if I put column number also 2, that means I'm taking here 45, this one, which is column number 2 and the row number 2. If I put here row number 1 and column number 2, I'll get this quantity here. Okay, now these row number and the column number we can connect with some data also. For example, I'm saying row number 5 and the column number 1, and now I can simply delete them, and here I can select the row number comma the column number and enter. I'm getting here that storage, which is the column number 1 and the row number 5. If I put here column number 2, then I'm getting here 12, which is the value of the quantity of this storage here. Alright, so these row number and the column number we can make dynamic using the match function. So let me show you how we can use the index plus match function together. We will use here index first and we will select this range. Now we will put the row number dynamically using the match function. So we want to fetch the quantity of this particular product. So I will use match to get the row number of this product, and I will take the lookup value as this product name, comma, lookup array. We will select this range wherein we want to search, comma 0, and just close the bracket. So that is the match function and it will return the row number of this product, comma. Now we have to put the column number. So because we need the quantity, so we can put here 2 because quantity is available on the second column, and just close the bracket, hit the enter. We are getting here 32. Let me show you. Here you can see this particular product and the quantity is 32. If I change, let's say this one, then automatically that quantity will be changed. Alright. Now I will show you how you can use the double match function with the index. Let's take a product here. Let's say for keyboard, I want to fetch the quantity. So first I will use here index and I will select this range, comma, and for the row number I will use the match like we have just used. Lookup value will be this keyboard, comma. We want to search in this one, so this is the lookup array, comma 0, close the bracket of the match, comma. Now we will put the column number. So we want to make the column number also dynamic, so we will use another match function, and this time the lookup value will be this quantity, comma, and the lookup array will be this header, comma 0, and just close the bracket twice and just hit the enter. We are getting here quantity of keyboard 56. Let me show you. Here you can see. Okay, but what if I want cost? So I just need to type here cost and enter. Automatically I will get the cost here, that this one. In this case we will not get the cost if I'll type, because we have hard coded here this column number is 2, so you have to put manually 3 here to get the cost. But in this case we have made the column number also dynamic using the match function. Okay, and if I type here product, only product, then it will return the same product. Alright. So dynamically it is taking from which column and from which row you want to fetch the data. So that is how we can use the index and index plus match as well as index plus match function in Microsoft Excel.